I have it all set up for the critters. I have this down because I'm going to cut their claws, which is a good thing to do before you give them a bath. Got the tripod set up because I'm going to film giving them a bath. So once I close this door, we have their food, but I'm getting some tonight in just like an hour. And then put their bed on top of their supplies box. I finally found a thingy that's not for dogs. It's actually for cats. It has a cute cat face on it. I already spilled water in it, but it's good because the cats spill water all the time. And it gets all gross on the floor, so this will help scratch. Got them the Oiko cat litter, which at Walmart it's a different kind than the kind I ordered online. It's a little more thin, which makes me a little nervous for tracking. But we've got this little velvet mat for them that my former fosters peed on, so I hope these don't do it too. We'll give them a chance. And then I've just got like their toy stuff there. I've got more toys for them, but they're cloth and they had like old cat litter stuck on it. Kitty number 1. You're huge. You probably could have even been fixed. I forgot to throw in the water. This is kitty number 1. Hi. She's a tortoiseshell. That's what our unique markings are. Do you have are you hurt there? You've got a red thing on you. How about you? This one's a calico. She's got more white on her. Hi. You guys are big. I'm really tiny kittens. They're cute. And the black one got really freaked out and ran everywhere. Oh, looks so cute on this blanket I got for you. I'll take it out, okay? I'll try to give you guys a bath. Ooh, did you fart? Did I scare you? Good girl. You're okay. I know, I just met you. I just met you. And I'm just like all up in your business. I'm gonna put this here because it's gonna move. Look, we got that whole paw. Good job. Oh, my face itches. Wonder what you've got on you. Good job. Guess what? 2 more. 1. Oops, sorry. Yeah, you're doing nice. You're not clawing me up and down. That's a good sign. Now you're gonna hate me. Oh, she's purring. She likes it. She's got something wrong with her down here. I don't know what would have happened if one of your little friends got you. I don't see any other evidence. Like, I'm hoping it's not ringworm. Hope you guys can see. I'm sorry, but you're gonna hate me, okay? But I put the water in first so that because they don't like the running water. Oh, I know. Yep, I know. Hi. You get your face first. Hi. Make sure there are no fleas. Just have some Dawn in here. I don't want to grab you by your neck, baby. Okay. Jill. Have to get a sharper grip on you. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Hope you can see. You're fat. You look pretty clean. Seriously. This. Can I see your ears? Let me see your ears. It's hard to tell because you're splotchy. Oh, your heart beating so fast. Hi. Hey. You're so big. You could have been a spade today, I think. You're almost done. Put your butt in. Good job. Ninja girl. Ninja girl. You are a big girl. I love you already. I love every kitty. Every kitty in the world. Even though you wouldn't believe it right now. Yeah. Well, we let the water out down here. Get fresh water for every kitty. They're being so good. Do you have any other spots on you? Or is that just orange? Just orange? They're so pretty. Such a pretty baby. Good girl. Okay, hey. We don't want to get that too wet. Okay. You're so big. You're such a big girl. I was hoping to be the tiny kitty. Your siblings know what's going on, so they're hiding. But you're a good girl. You didn't try to scratch me. Nothing. Nothing. You're a good girl. Let's dry you off. Oh, what a good girl. Actually, let's move this for whenever we do. Oh, too big. It's warm in here. It's hot for me, but it very feels good to you. Oh, you're precious. You're precious. Yours look pretty good, I think. Oh my gosh, you're so precious. Yeah. Good girl. Have you given up or are you loving? She's fine. Alrighty. You're good. Good job. Don't hurt yourself. Your clothes are honey. Hi. Your clothes are dirty. Don't back up. Just a few more. Yours are pretty short. What have you been doing? You're the reason your sister scratched. Alright. Got that area all dirty. Oh no. It's okay. You're so pretty. Look at all those pretty colors, missus. Look at all those pretty colors. Can you turn around this way? Hi. Thank you for the paws. Good girl. Yeah, so good. You like your chin rubbed? Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Somebody's been eating your whiskers. Somebody's been chewing off your whiskers. Gosh, your belly's so big. I wonder if it's food or if it's worms. Are there some fleas? Or is it just dirt? It's like just dirt. It's gonna be too wet by the third kitty. She's like, I'm out. This ear is so cool. Look at that cool little face. Good girl. These brushes, I thought at first hurt them. I was like, oh, but those are wire. But they like it because it gets through their 3 layers of fur. Yeah, don't clean yourself like your sister. Just want to get away. Can you start purring? Oh no! Your wet sister's in that litter box. All that litter's gonna stick to her. Oh no. They're so cute. They were helping each other. Helping each other clean. And Black Kitty's like, Thank goodness I'm the only one that's not wet. You have the gas, the toots. You toot when you get nervous? Or did your butt dirty? Good boy. Like I said, gross eyes. Don't worry, we won't do this again unless you're getting into some kind of crazy mischief. You just don't know where you've been. You are huge though. You'll be up for adoption like your friend, you know it. You're friendly enough. Oh. Yeah, I just want to submit like mama's baby. Yeah. So cute. Good boy. You're older. Your eyes are like almost all colored. You can join your little sisters. Make sure you don't have any spots, because one time my kittens with ringworm, it was a nightmare. But you seem really healthy. It's harder to see on black kitties unless they're already missing the fur, though. Alrighty. Yay. Look at this big boy. He's so cute. There you go. Go join your sisters in cleaning yourselves. Now I gotta clean the sink.